Hey everyone, if you finished editing a photo in Photoroom and want to save it to your device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download images from Photoroom step by step in 2026. First, open the Photoroom app or visit the Photoroom website and sign in to your account. Then open the project or image you want to download. Before exporting, take a moment to review your design. Check the background, text, shadows, colors, and any AI-generated edits to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want. Once you're satisfied with the result, locate the Export, Save, or Download button. Depending on your device and the current version of Photoroom, this option is usually found near the top right corner of the editor. Tap or click the Export option to open the download settings. Here, you'll typically be able to choose your preferred image format and quality options. And that's how to download images from Photoroom in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can save your edited photos and use them for social media, e-commerce, marketing, and much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.